I want to take you to Tamil Nadu because that's where the disturbing incident has taken place. A doctor was stabbed 7 times inside a hospital in Chennai. Doctors across Tamil Nadu, therefore, have hit the streets asking for increased security in the hospital premises. We're looking at visuals from Vellore, Coimbatore, Salem, where doctors' fraternity are staging a protest. So there was basically the son of a cancer patient who was undergoing treatment. For some reason, this son got angry, brought a knife and stabbed the senior-most oncologist for about 7 times. Now, the doctor has happened to survive. He's currently stable, undergoing treatment. Visuals of him on your screen. Accused has been nabbed. But the pressure is building on the Stalin government to set an example, act on this incident. Doctors have met health ministry officials. There is a demand to fill the vacancy for the staff as well. Also to bring a protocol of check on the visitors to the patients. India's medical body has condemned the stabbing, saying that the medical profession and the fraternity is deeply disturbed. All governments have been put on notice to ensure doctor safety. For the BJP and for the AIDMK, meanwhile, a political slugfest has also, meanwhile, started. TVK chief and actor Vijay also has slammed the state government, saying this is all a breakdown of law and order in the state.
Reporting from the Kalenge Super Specialty Hospital in Chennai, where yesterday senior oncologist Dr. Balaji was attacked by a man named Vignesh because he believed that his mother, who was undergoing cancer treatment in this hospital for the last 6 months, was given the wrong treatment by Dr. Balaji, and as a result he brought a knife with him and he stabbed Dr. Balaji 7 times. Balaji, he's currently stable, he's in the ICU, but he's stable is what doctors are telling us. But across Tamil Nadu we are seeing protests breaking out. Doctors and healthcare personnel from across Tamil Nadu are staging protests condemning the attack on Dr. Balaji, and also saying that the government should ensure that strict measures are put in place to ensure the safety of doctors and other healthcare personnel, because this is not the first attack that's been happening, not just in Tamil Nadu, it's happening all over the country. And they say, the doctors say, there's a sense of fear and they're not able to do their duty in this environment where they feel like they could be attacked any minute, and that's the reason they're asking for more security and more facilities. I'm just going to speak to some of the protesting doctors here. Doctor, tell us, what are some of the demands that you're putting forward at this point in time?
We are putting forward for a secure and safe working environment. We do not want what happened to Professor Balaji, a very senior medical fraternity. We don't want such things to happen to any one of us. The government have given us assurances, but an assurance is just an assurance unless an order comes out. So we would like them to provide us with proper security for OP and IP services. We also request them to provide us with a 365 24/7 CCTV camera wherever the public and doctor are interacting.
Doctor is fine and he is fully recovered from anesthesia and surgery, and he is conscious, well oriented, obeying commands, interacting with the family members in a nice manner, and he has also expressed about its previous ailments and what treatment he has undergone, and he was very keen on finding out what is his health status on his own from the treating doctors. And today morning also we visited. He is sitting in a chair and eating his breakfast, and he also interacted with the health minister during his visits and interacted with him about his health condition. He is fine and absolutely out of danger. He will be shifted very soon to the special ward.
Government of Tamil Nadu, from the month of August itself, we have actually prepared a blueprint. Important instructions have already been given to the hospitals, and this is the work in progress. We have told all the hospitals that you display the punitive provisions of the Hospital Security Act. That if there is any kind of a violence which is within the premises of the hospital, what would be the punishment which will be made available. So that display is being made now in all the hospitals. Many hospitals have already done it.
We are strongly condemn the Honorable Chief Minister and Honorable Health Minister. Continuously, our Honorable Leader of Opposition, Mr. Erupt Palliswamy, keep telling there is no law and order in Tamil Nadu. The life-saving doctor has been affected me. Then what kind of safety for a common man? That's what our question is.
It's very serious issue of doctor being attacked by hooligans, and it needs thorough investigation. Doctors, duty-bound doctors who are doing it as profession as their noble profession, standing with the people of poor, voiceless people in government hospitals should be protected. And it's a very unfortunate thing which doesn't happen usually in Tamil Nadu in hospitals. This kind of unruly behavior by any one of them should be dealt very seriously. I hope that the health minister and the other officials, particularly the police, takes this as a very serious thing, provide the adequate security to the hospital.
The incident could have happened and we could not see that it is an individual incident of a particular person who is uncontrolled himself and he has attacked the doctor. There are various reasons for which, and the government has to understand that how pathetic the situation of the working hours of the doctors and nurses in the government hospital. Immediately they have to understand the need of filling the vacancies as well as understanding their work.
Let's go across to India today. Shilpa Nair joining me live from Chennai. Shilpa, are the protests still on? What are the doctors saying? Have they gone back to their duties as well? What is the government saying, importantly?
Well, Pooja, as far as certain medical associations are concerned, several doctors' associations are concerned, they've called for a strike till 6 p.m. today. But some of them who had called for an indefinite strike, that has been withdrawn after a meeting with the health minister. The health minister of Tamil Nadu, Ma Subramaniam, has assured these doctors that all their demands will be fulfilled within end of this month. That is the promise that the government has given, and all that they've demanded for, which is, enhancing security in hospitals, filling up the vacancies, ensuring that strict action is given to the perpetrators of such crimes. All of that will be, fulfilled is the assurance that the government has given. So several of these associations, they did stage protests today. In fact, the outpatient services in several of the government hospitals across Tamil Nadu were affected for a few hours because of these protests. But the medical community or the medical fraternity have come together once again to express their solidarity to Dr. Balaji, a senior oncologist at the Gindi Kalengar Super Specialty Hospital, who was attacked in a horrendous manner yesterday by a man named Vignesh. This man Vignesh, his mother was undergoing cancer treatment for the last 6 months in the hospital, and Vignesh felt that his mother was given the wrong treatment by Dr. Balaji, and because of that anger, he brought a knife with him and he came to the hospital and stabbed Dr. Balaji at least 7 times. And that, of course, he sustained serious injuries, but his condition is stable as of now. So in light of this, very, very serious attack, the medical fraternity came out in full solidarity. That's the reason why we saw protests breaking out across Tamil Nadu. Doctors and healthcare personnel coming onto the roads and outside their hospitals, raising slogans, demanding that all they're asking for is a safe environment to work in. And
there needs to be more guidelines. Even if the patients or the families have a certain grievance, there should be a mechanism for them to approach, because this time can say that the doctor has escaped death by a whisker 7 times. He was stabbed by that knife. He's managed to survive. He's undergoing treatment, but this could have gone horribly wrong. Shilpa, I'll come back to you in just a short while. India Today also spoke with the victim's wife and mother, who are clearly numb by the incident that happened. Let's listen into what they have to say.
சார் நல்லா இருக்காருங்களா? நல்லா இருக்காங்க. அம்மா நல்லா இருக்காருங்களா? அது மட்டும் சொல்லுங்க.
நல்லா இருக்காங்க. நல்லா பேசுனாங்க. நாங்க அவங்க வீட்டுக்கு நல்லா இருக்காங்க அம்மா.
நல்லா இருக்காங்களா? நல்லா இருக்காங்க. உங்ககிட்ட பேசுறாரா?
எல்லார்கிட்டயும் பேசுறாங்க. நல்லா இருக்காங்க.
இப்போ எங்கம்மா போறீங்க?
எங்க வீட்டுக்கு. நல்லா இருக்க தொட்டு தான் போறோம். நல்லா கரமிச்சிட்டாங்க.
கையை கொஞ்சம் எடுத்துனா போதலாம். எடுத்துனா